Welcome everybody to this PROSE and Marcos joint webinar. I'm going to talk to you about PROSE, promoting FLOSS in European projects. It's a project that's been running over a year and a half now, so into its second year. And I'm going to give you just a slight overview of what we've been doing in the project. And now, if you start and look at the bottom of this particular page, you will notice that there are a number of European projects, this is very obvious, that are funded by the European Commission, and they are producing many artifacts of open source software. And our vision for this particular PROSE project is we saw that a single project would have a single piece of open source software, another project would have an open source software, and as such there wasn't a good platform for Europe in order to not just promote but provide training in a collaborative one kind of space in order to do this. And this is the purpose for PROSE. As you can see, through PROSE we try and provide training, which is why we're here today as part of the business model work that Roberto is going to talk to us about. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the platform itself and our Forge, and of course our key element is in promotion, and of course why we have this particular webinar that we have in place today. So our three main strategies within the project is to provide a platform, and we have a platform called opensourceprojects.eu. It's a software forge in which we have wiki access, we have trouble ticketing system, we have an area where you can collaborate on the software artifacts itself, and also share the projects amongst people. But the platform also hosts training material. We have material there about helping you and your team of developers to be able to choose a license, for example, for your open source software, to help you navigate towards a number of the legal questions that come up around what license, whether it's a permissive license or a copyleft license or something in between. Our platform and Open Source Projects.eu tries to provide this particular service. And in particular, if you have a project that is hosting software, opensourceprojects.eu, as facilitated through PROSE, can give you what's called Git or Subversion code repository systems. There is wiki and forms for your collaborative team, and a very comprehensive issue tracking system available on the platform. One of the key new elements on the platform is the idea and the provision of metrics. This is to be able to show you how many of your developers are committing software, where are they coming from, how regular are they committing the software, how quickly are tickets being closed, being opened, and also showing you how you can integrate other open source software into your platform. So Open Source Projects.eu provides you this collaboration space. And of course, it also provides you a results area for your European project. It gives you a place to be able to publish and reuse your software, and a place for you to be able to maintain your results. Somewhere else to have your code not just reviewable, but also shareable, and receive further feedback from the wider community that are on Open Source Projects.eu. Just to say, at this moment in time, there are in the region of 25 European projects on the platform. There is in the region of about 190 actual developers on it, and every week and every month we are growing that community on the platform itself. One of the key benefits of the platform is for your project and any new project you might be involved in, it eliminates you having to put setup time into creating your own collaborative platform. It gives you a place with metrics to be able to evaluate your results, and also gives you a space to be able to create dialogue with the European Commission when it comes to promoting the open source coming from your particular project. Okay, so that is the promotion, and I would implore you to head on over after this webinar, of course, and after listening to Roberto, head on over to opensourceprojects.eu, have a look at the tools that I have available, sign up to the tool, and we'll be here, both Stephanie, Roberto, myself, Alfredo, Rui, and other members of the PROSE team will be there to help you and assist you as you create your first projects on opensourceprojects.eu. Okay, thanks for your attention and for the hopefully quick intro